The third phase of the coronavirus lockdown will come to an end today. This phase of the lockdown witnessed considerable relaxation in measures, with standalone stores lifting shutters, liquor shops opening up, and 15 special passenger trains resuming service ever since the railway suspended operations on March 25th. The fourth phase of the lockdown will commence from Monday and will last till May 31st, according to a media report. The Manipur Home Department has tightened security measures in Imphal East and Imphal West after the state has reported 5 new cases of COVID-19. Manipur was included in the green zone category after the first 2 COVID patients tested negative after weeks of treatment. Meanwhile, police detained 160 people in Imphal for defying curfew and lockdown rules. India recorded nearly 5,000 new COVID-19 cases, including 120 deaths in the last 24 hours. According to the Health Ministry figures released this morning, the country has 90,927 COVID-19 cases in all. This includes 53,946 active cases, 34,108 cured patients, and 2,872 deaths from the disease. Following an order issued by Deputy Commissioner Jiribam W. Manglinganba Chenglai in view of the new batch of train carrying returnees from Bangalore and Baroda arriving today at Jiribam railway station, markets have been closed and movement by people have been restricted in the area covered by Jiribam Municipal Council from 7 a.m. today till 10 a.m. tomorrow. A woman from Churachandpur district who recently visited Myanmar has been put in Forest IB Quarantine Center, More, after screening. It may be mentioned that the woman, aged 28 years, a native of Tuilafai village in Churachandpur district, visited Myanmar, defying all rules of COVID-19 lockdown. Following an order from the Chief Judicial Magistrate Thawbal, a team of Thawbal Police Station disposed a huge quantity of seized betel leaves. The 24 baskets, 2 gunny sacks, and a 5-liter syntax of betel leaves were disposed yesterday at Thawbal Khunau under Thawbal Municipal Council. Cyclist and social activist ROHAN PHILEM today extended assistance to 2 poor women, Gambhini, aged 78, and Kombire, aged 84, both widows from Hekruzam Maning Lekai under Konthaujam constituency. 8 returnees from Chennai in a special train on Friday night tested positive for COVID-19 in Meghalaya in the rapid test conducted at the testing centers. Initially, 12 tested positive, but subsequently 4 of them tested negative after tests were conducted through RT-PCR tests. Spraying disinfectant on the streets, as practiced in some countries, does not eliminate the new coronavirus and even poses a health risk, the World Health Organization warned today, as per a media report. In a document on cleaning and disinfecting surfaces as part of the response to the virus, the WHO says spraying can be ineffective.